Welcome to the Learning Innovation Lab. I'm Mrs. Fendler, the technology teacher.
And I'm Mrs. Capello, the school librarian.
We are so excited to work with the students in our virtual classroom. The Learning Innovation Lab lessons are based on the 6-day cycle. During library and technology class, students will use educational apps and websites.
This is our virtual classroom for library and technology. Students in grades kindergarten through 2nd access the slideshow in Seesaw in the Learning Innovation Lab folder. 3rd grade students access the slideshow in Google Classroom. During library and technology, students listen to 2 stories read aloud by Mrs. Capello on Google Meet, watch a video related to the topic for that day, explore educational apps or websites, and read books of their choice on Epic, which is a digital reading platform with a collection of over 40,000 popular and high-quality books. Every student receives a printed activity packet. This packet contains username and password, 3 cycle checklists, unplugged activities, and technology tips. This is the resource room where students can go to choose activities after they have completed their assigned lessons for the day. There are a variety of fun resources such as brain breaks, how to draw videos, songs to listen to, and much more. The resource room changes based on the topic students are learning about. Thanks for joining us in the Learning Innovation Lab.
We look forward to a great year.